Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'm going to show you how to make this quick, simple and easy creamy samp recipe. If you are new here, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss a single recipe from me. All the measurements will be available for you in the description box below. So to start off with, you're going to start off with your samp. You're going to add that to a pot, add your water, and you'll basically cook your samp according to your packaging or manufacturer's instructions. So to that samp, I like to add some salt seasoning for mine, and then also just a little bit of black pepper. You're going to allow that to simmer and cook away for about 45 minutes to an hour until your samp is nice and soft. So after around an hour, this is what my samp is looking like. I'm just going to give that a mix just so I get all the samp, even the one that's sticking at the bottom, nice and loose. You can see I still have a little bit of excess water, but that's nothing to worry about. We're just going to put it on the side as the samp will absorb the water as it's waiting. In the meantime, we're going to then create the seasoned fillings that we're going to add. I'm going to start off with some bacon, which I've just cut into small pieces. I'll saute that in my pan until it's nice and fully cooked through. You can cook it till it's crispy or just until it gets to a point where you like it. Once you get to that point, you can then remove your bacon and set it aside. In the same skillet, however, we're going to use that to prepare the additional vegetables, which in this case I'm just going to be adding some carrots. I've cubed my carrots and then I'm adding those back into my skillet. I've now reduced my heat to a medium-low heat because I don't want to burn my carrots and I want to make sure that they cook through. To that, I'm going to be adding some minced garlic. Then you're just going to give that a mix just so that your minced garlic is nice and evenly distributed. Again, making sure that your carrots don't stick to the bottom. After about 15 minutes of just continuously sauteing your carrots, you can then go ahead and add some seasoning to your carrots. Today I'm going to be using the 7 Grills Colors seasoning. I'm just going to give that a quick mix just so that all my carrots can be well seasoned. And this is what your carrots will look like. Okay, now we're done. We're then going to put back our samp onto our heat, and then we're just going to give that a mix one more time, and then we're going to start adding the additional ingredients. So first we'll start off with the bacon that we've prepared. Then we're going to go on ahead and add our carrots and try and get as much of that seasoning into your samp. And then to that, I'm going to be adding some kernel corn. So if you don't like kernel corn, you can omit this step, or you can also add the creamed corn. You get this in a can. It's all up to you. I've just used the one that was in brine. So then I'm going to give that a quick mix just so that I can evenly distribute everything. And then once that is nice and evenly distributed, I'm then going to be adding some cream. And then lastly, I'm going to be adding some cheese sauce. I am using already made store-bought cheese sauce, so you're welcome to use that too, or to make your own if you know how to. So then you're just going to give that a quick mix just so that you evenly distribute everything. You'll notice at this point, again, it seems like our samp is a bit too watery, but trust the process. Trust me, tomorrow the samp is also going to be very, very dry. So here it is. It's the nice creamy samp recipe that I told you about. It's quick, simple and easy. Please do like this video, share this recipe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.